सर इसकी अरेंजमेंट में भी कोई
Okay, let's go to the next level of configuration, and that is ledgers, because we have done chart of accounts. We'll check the chart of accounts again. Business transaction, no, not business transactions. Master data, GL account, preparations, retained earnings. That was the last one. AA42. Yes, we have assigned. Balance carried forward. GL account creation with reference. Alternative methods. Copy GL accounts. Copy chart of accounts. Copy company code. When you're copying from company code to company code, you use this. Copy from AA42. Okay. And copy into AA50. Right. Execute, but that is not made. 50. It does not exist. So we have to create that, but we can copy all the GL accounts in one go OBY2. This is another option. So this can be asked in the interview whether GL accounts can be copied or not. Copy chart of accounts, accounts in chart of accounts, FI account determination, asset management account determination, financial statement version, SDHRMM. This is very necessary if you're copying a chart of account to another landscape. Okay. Now, line items, special fields for line item display. Enter. Billing indicator. This is table field name. Now, where to find this? Okay. Let's go into that discussion as well. Table is BSEG, SM30, BSEG. Find maintenance dialog, table name. Okay. SE16N, BSEG. Okay. Now, these are the fields that we have in this table, which is accounting document segment. We have company code, document number, and payment terms, days 2. I'll select online. So it will give me which accounting document has which fields populated. Okay, company code ABC, document number 1000, year 2020. Key is posting key. What is posting key? I'll tell you later. Amount, and you find everything over here. So what you can do, if you want to extract this detail, spreadsheet, word processing, local file, everything is available. But the most smart thing is %PC, right? %PC, enter. Nothing has happened. Okay, nothing has happened. List output. Okay, this will be exported %PC. In which format do you want it to be saved? Text with tabs. We have tabs. Tabs can be done or unconverted. Continue. Okay, directory, desktop, BSEG docs, 10 March 2023. Save, generate. Deny. Person PC. You can do unconverted and text with tabs. Desktop, BSEC, docs, 10 March 2023, .xls. Generate, allow, XLS. Okay, let me open that. Okay, this is how you get data all arranged. With document number, you can get any table data. If you are asked in an interview, yes, data can be extracted in this way, and there are many other ways as well. Okay, so how many fields do we have? We have 503,500. Okay, that's how you don't save. Is this clear? I hope this is clear. Okay, I'll close this one. Now this is billing indicator, and this is another table, pair, voider, void reason code. Financial statement versions. What are these financial statement versions? Are basically based on the financial jurisdictions of every country and accounting standard that you follow. For example, Great Britain, maintenance language English, auto item keys, chart of accounts, INT. We will make our own new entries, FAA42, financial statement version, Venice group, maintenance language English, chart of accounts, AA42, group account number, functional area, permitted. No, we have not defined that. Save. Save. Okay, so this is how we create financial statement version. Okay, and group account number is only when we are dealing with consolidation at group level. What will be the financial statement items? This is how you create the items whenever we are going to create a financial statement version. But right now, we are not going to look into this until the GL accounts will be made. Until we have the complete list of the GL accounts, we will not actually go into that. We will have head of accounts. By head of accounts, I mean the items like assets, liabilities, equity, uh, undistributed dividends, expenses, income, and other heads of accounts. This financial statement version is created by the clients, and they actually provide you with the format template. Now we can also assign financial statement versions to accounting principles, new entries, accounting principle 60, chart of accounts AA42, and okay. AA42 not found. Okay. AA42 does not exist. Okay. AA42 financial statement BAGB hierarchy. V29A. No, we don't require that. Let's take a version. Great Britain. BAGB. Okay. Save. Save. Create cost element groups. We'll look into this later, but the next one is an important step, which is enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area, maintain controlling area. This is an important step. Now, what is controlling and what is the hierarchy? I will just go into the details right now. Okay, controlling area and company code AA42. Continue. Data in company code is not maintained right now, so we'll go back and check. And what are the details that are missing that is available from global settings, global parameters, global parameters. Position AA42 is our company code, Venice Group. AA42 company is AA42. Okay, field status variant, posting period variant, these are not maintained. We will maintain this fiscal year variant, K4, which is calendar year. I will explain this shortly. Global company code, this is for consolidation and for group reporting. This is where you mention the global company code, the mother company. Okay, negative postings permitted. I will explain later what is negative postings. Negative postings are used when you want to cancel a wrong debit or a credit. Financial status variant. Okay, first let me save this. Proposed fiscal year business area financial statements defined default value date. Fiscal year, for example, when you're entering a document, it will show 2023 as the fiscal year so that the user is not confused with whether to use 2022 or 23. Default value date. Value date is for payments, for bank dates, for exchange rates. Okay. Tax base is net value or discount base is net value. This is actually used for American accounting systems. Financial assets management is active. Enable amount split. Tax reporting date active. Save. Now, we will configure these two, field status variant and posting period variant. But before that, I will go to the next part, which is fields. Field status variants. Now, what is a field status variant? Let me show you that. /O create FS00. This is for GL accounts. whenever I create a new GL account, for example, 60,200, 60,200, and this is coming and falling in the category of recon accounts. So it will be a balance sheet account, because a recon account, reconciliation account, is always a balance sheet account. It is reflected in the balance sheet and carried forward to the next year. Okay, let's say this is recon account. I will say this is special GL package vendor. What is special GL? I'll tell you later. Package vendor. Now these are the fields. And for this, I want to have field status variant. Where do I assign field status variant? Can anyone tell me? This is the field status group which we are going to configure. So define field status variants. Okay. 0001 is by default given by SAP. I will copy it as AA42 field status variant AA42. Copy all, enter. I will select this field status groups. Okay, now I'm creating a recon account. A recon account is G067. Now, what is G067? Let me show you that. G067 recon accounts, double click. Now this is the groups. What is a group here? These are the groups. These fields are groups. Okay. Now, for example, general data. In general data, assignment number, text, invoice reference. Now, where is this invoice reference given here? It is not given here. It is given here, for example, FB03, SA40 document list, execute. I open up a document, a random document. Okay, Baba Yaga trading. Now this Baba Yaga is a vendor under the GL account 60,000, and we have assignment number. Assignment number. This is optional. We have text. We have text. So I can assign categories or types to these fields. If I want to convert a field into required entry, then I can mark this as required entry. And if I go to the other period of performance that is not required, I'll go to the other part. Account assignments, settlement period, cost center. Can we see cost centers over here? No, we can't see a cost center. Okay. Internet expenses. Can we see cost centers? Because it is suppressed. That's the reason. Okay. Because it is suppressed, we can't see that. Payment transactions. Okay. Payment terms. Let's see. Payment terms. Baba Yaga is vendor, so payment terms is related to vendors. Payment terms, you can see it here because it is related to vendors. Business partners, bank business partners. Now this is related to master data. Okay. Okay. Page down, payment reference. You cannot see these fields over here. Okay. So this is actually how you choose fields for your clients, right? I will save this. Save. Let's go back. I will assign this to our company code. What is our company code? AA42. 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 Save. enter. This is assigned. Okay, now let's come to fiscal year and posting periods. Maintain fiscal year variant. What is fiscal year variant? Let me show you that. Okay, now fiscal year in Pakistan or in the subcontinent is July to June. Let me show you that. K4, K4, calendar year or V6. V6 is July to June. I will select this and the periods are 7, 8, 9, but I will tell you the logic for this. Okay, if you notice, period 1 is calendar month 7, which is July. Year shift is 2023, right? And second month is month 8, which is August, and so on. It goes till the end of December, and this is year shift 2023 0. But once it changes the year or shifts the year to 2024, the system will place 2024 -1 to keep this period, which is month January, in the fiscal year 2023. Okay. So this is done when it is not a calendar year, calendar fiscal year. Calendar year is January to December, like this. This is the check for calendar year. Okay, this is calendar year. So number of periods is 12. Number of special periods is 4. Now, what are special periods? I'll tell you that in a while. Edit fiscal year calendar. You can also edit it from here. Let's say V6. Execute. Program. Execute in background. You can also run it in background. Okay. Assign company code to fiscal year variant. It is already assigned. Position 8AA42. It is K4, which is January to December. Okay. Now comes the posting period. The posting period is, let's first define the variance, then I will tell you what is a posting period. AA42. Posting period variant AA42. Save. Okay, assign variants to company code. Simple. AA42. AA42. Save. Now, what are closing and opening of posting periods? I'll maintain all. Now we have different variants. This is standard 0001 supplied by SAP. I'll copy this, copy as. AA42, AA42, copy. Okay, enter. Okay, number of entries that are copied are 8. Now, account category. This is account type. Plus means all types of accounts. Either it's liabilities, assets, income, expenses, every account. This is empty because every range is taken over here from period 1 to 12, 2030. All periods are open. You can post to that. This is authorization group given to users, special users like auditors, account managers, finance directors. They have the authority to run period 13 to 16. Why? Because these are special periods. Special periods are meant for adjustments like income tax postings, withholding tax postings, unposted invoices, GR, IR reconciliation, payment reconciliation, bank reconciliation, unplanned depreciation, and what else? Material returns and reconciliation of materials with PO, with returns document, credit memo. These are done in this. Carry forward operations are done from 13 to 16. Okay. So we can actually post in these months as well. Now, what is A? A for assets, D for customers, K for vendors, K for vendors. Over here, a range is given. We don't need that. We will delete this. M for material, S for GL, and V for contract accounts. We don't need contract accounts as well. Okay. So from here, you can block and block entries to these accounts. We don't have contract accounts yet. So delete this, save, enter. End of today's lecture.